Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 1.4 question number 2. Visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. Here you see 4.26 lies between 4 and 5. Here I have taken 10 equal parts. This is 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8 and 4.9. Here 4.26 lies between 4.2 and 4.3. If we magnify this one, this is 4.2, this is 4.3 and divide into 10 equal parts and we are getting 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29 and 4.3. Right? Now here you see 4.26 bar lies between 4.266 and 4.27. If we magnify this one, we are getting 4.26, this is 4.27 and dividing 10 equal parts, then we are getting 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269. Right? Now here you see that this number up to 4 decimal places 4.262. 4.2626 lies between 4.262 and 4.263. If we again magnify this one, that is 4.262 and this is 4.263 and divide into 10 equal parts, then we are getting 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626. This one 4.26 to 7, 4.26 to 8, 4.26 to 9. Therefore, we are getting this number 4.2626. 4.2626. We are representing it. Which one is 4.2626? This is the point. This is 4.2626, right? That is, we are getting 4.2626 means this point is 4.2626. that is, we got up to 4 decimal places, right? Here you see again this 4.26 lies between 4 and 5 and 4.26 bar lies between 4.2 and 4.3 and divided into 10 equal parts, and this lies between 4.26 and 4.27, 4.26 and 4.27, and this lies between 4.262 and 4.263. This is 4.262, this is 4.263, and dividing it into 10 equal parts 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2627, 4.2628, 4.2629. Therefore, this is the representation of the number 9, 4.2626 up to 4 decimal places. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.